What's up guys? For today's video, we are doing a no reaction challenge. So merong mangga or mango si Ate Tak sa baba and napakaasim ng mango na yon. So if they don't make any face or reaction to the sourness of that mango, I will buy them milk tea. So let's go. First challenger for milk tea. Kailangan no reaction ha. Ngayon mo. Starts. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Oh, walang milk dito.
Hindi naman massive yan.
Hindi nga. Oh, kain mo. 3, 2, 1, eat. Nguya. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano ba yan?
Hindi naman massive yan.
Nasa loob. Wala rin milk dito. Baby, go.
Champion ba tayo na yung champion?
Di ba?
Wala bang maliit?
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Go. Lahat. Ngaya. And timer starts now.
Anong time niya?
10. Dapat walang reaction in 10 seconds.
Mali yung nakain
1,
ko.
2, 3, go.
Nandun lahat yung ano.
Ay, mo nga dito.
Wow. Isa pa. Oh.
Ano daw, girl?
Wala talaga siya, oh. Oh, ito, oh.
Basa ko.
Wala.
Oh, si Marta na.
Oh, my turn.
Tagal ah.
Nasaan yung tissue mo lang?
Ay, wala sa tissue natin.
Ay, nandito.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay na to.
6, 7.
Baka may maasim talaga yung akin na kain.
Di ba? Sa'yo ba? Meron talaga maasim. Wala. Pare-parehas na maasim talaga siya. So the winner is congratulations.
Siya lang may milk tea. Kuya Ethan, Kuya Elijah, come here. I have a challenge for you guys. No reaction challenge. Both of you at the same time.
I feel like something bad's gonna happen. No.
3, 2, cheers.
Let's do 8 more.
1, 2, 3, pasok!
All the way. And chew it. No reaction. Chew it.
Yeah, bite. Sige,
chew it.
ako ya. Ikaw anak, chew.
No reaction.
Wow. Yeah, you want your iPad.
Para na milk tea.
Harap ka kay daddy. Pakita mo yung sarap yung mango.
No reaction.
Oh, wala naman. Kaya...
Sour? Too sour? Olivia, you have to eat it properly, ha? No, eat it properly. Bite it! Yeah. Chew it.
Ganda pa rin siya.
Last ano dyan?
Olivia,
Ano sa cheesecake?
I love you. Olivia, I love you.